In this step, we will use a slot mill toolpath. Slot mill allows Mastercam to efficiently machine oblong slots. These are slots that consist of 2 straight lines and 2 180-degree arcs at the ends. Click the Expand Gallery button in the 2D group. Then select Slot Mill. Select the chain here. Then press OK. Click on Tool and select Library Tool. Click on Filter, select None, and select the Flat End Mill. For tool diameter, choose equal 0.125. Then press OK. And select the 1/8 flat end mill. Press OK again. Enter the comment, Machine the slot. Select Cut Parameters. Change the stock to leave on walls and floors to 0. Compensation type allows you to choose how you want to handle cutter compensation. The computer sets Mastercam to compute the compensated toolpath and does not output control codes for compensation. Entry-Exit Arc Sweep sets the included angle of each entry and exit arc. If the entry-exit arc sweep is less than 180 degrees, the system applies an entry-exit line. Perpendicular entry enters the toolpath perpendicular to the first toolpath move. Select Rough Finish and change the plunge angle to 2 and enable Keep Tool Down. Ramp entry creates a smoother entry motion rather than plunging directly. Plunge angle sets the angle of descent for the entry move and determines the pitch. A smaller plunge angle means that the entry move takes longer to descend into the z-axis. A recommended angle is generally 3 to 5 degrees. Output helixes as arcs writes the entry helix to the NCI file as arcs. Using this option can create shorter NC files. If you turn off this option, the helix breaks into linear segments in the NCI file. Roughing stepover sets the distance between cutting passes in the X and Y axes. Enter a percentage of the tool diameter or a distance. Finish passes allows you to set the finish cuts for the toolpath. The number multiplied by the finish spacing equals the total amount of stock cut by the finish passes. Setting the number of finish cuts to 0 creates no finish cuts. Keep Tool Down enabled does not allow the tool to retract between multi-passes. Click on Depth Cuts. Enable Depth Cuts and set the max rough step to 0.1 and enable Keep Tool Down. Select Breakthrough. Ensure Breakthrough is enabled and the breakthrough amount is set to 0.1. Breakthrough allows you to specify an amount by which the tool will completely cut through the material. This value is always a positive number. Select Linking Parameters. Enable Clearance, set to 2. Retract to 0.25 absolute. Feed plane 0.1 incremental. Top of stock 0 absolute. And depth to minus 0.125. Then press OK. Then backplot the toolpath. When backplot is finished, press OK. Then click Verify. Change the view to isometric and click Play. When Verify is finished, minimize the simulation window. Change the view back to top and fit to screen.